if Brock Purdy goes on that field, the Lincoln Financial Field in Philadelphia this weekend, and dare I say he stinks up the joint, and they get blown out of the building, all bets are off.
Okay.
Rocky! 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 Rocky!
Hey, let's take over the game, bro. Like, go in now, let's go. Get it! That's a fumble. Watch his hand hit the ball. Ball out. There's no forward motion going.
Man, what? Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Wait, what happened to Purdy? Why Purdy out?
Purdy got hit on the Hassan Reddick fumble.
Does that hurt you there? This was weak. Okay. What is it?
Brock Purdy has been taken out of the game.
Oh, no.
Josh Johnson, the veteran, is in to play quarterback.
Let's go, Josh.
They've got to get something going offensively as Josh Johnson continues at quarterback for the injured Brock Purdy. Josh gets hit by Ndamukong Suh. Fluttering ball, incomplete. Johnson slow to get out.
In attempting fourth down. Second and goal. And it off. Sanders walks in. Touchdown, Eagles.
Watch the movement on the interior of this defensive line by the Philadelphia offensive line, widely regarded as the best unit in the league. We've seen in recent weeks they do have some counters off of it, but this looks like sneak.
It is sneak. It hurts. Surges forward for a first down. Gainwell again. Big hole. Gainwell inside the 30. And then men at the 25 and flipped out of bounds there.
Watch Fred Warner. He doesn't go because he's thinking it's RPO. That's the best linebacker in the league. Look, he's standing still. That's what this offense does to these defenders.
Second down and 5. Sanders gets it left side. Big room and a touchdown for Sanders. His second. Hurts gonna give it to Scott. Racing around the edge. Scott is in. Touchdown, Philadelphia. Hurts design run. Lead block of Kelsey. Hurts first down. Another design run and breaks a tackle. Hurts still on his feet. First down and more. First and goal. Eagles and a late left. Gonna sneak it again. Hurts looking for a push from behind. He is waiting for a signal in. Touchdown, Eagles. Gainwell's got it. Cuts to the outside. Good move. Good